Best deals.
1. Knife block set. Feature high quality, exceptional sharpness, simple design, great balance and good practicality. Applying ergonomics and mechanical levers principles, are especially designed for climbing, fishing, outdoors, kitchen cooking. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Kitchen knife set. High carbon stainless steel blades for durability and long-lasting sharpness while providing a precise razor-sharp cutting edge that will keep your slicing time and again, all in one complete set of specialized kitchen knives consist of 13 professional knives, kitchen scissors, peeler, a premium quality 2-stage knife sharpeners and a modern acrylic knife stand. The durable non-stick color-coated blades of kitchen knives makes it a breeze to slice and clean. The ergonomically designed knife handle provide you with a superior comfort and non-slip grip for better control and balance. For ultimate comfort and safe use, each knife features a soft, ergonomic handle for a secure grip when cutting. With a balanced weight and solid design, these knives make slicing and dicing easy. Use these knives for just about anything from cutting meat and fish to chopping fruits, vegetables, herbs and even cheese. It's perfect for customized use with a wide range of foods. Kitchen knife set is constructed of non-stick, coated blades that ensure long-lasting durability and cleanliness. The non-stick coating makes these knives super easy to clean and they are dishwasher safe too. This knife set was designed from top-of-the-line materials and is designed to resist wear and tear for long-lasting use. Our knives are very easy to sharpen and clean for amazing performance. This high-quality set of knives features stainless steel blades that resist stains and corrosion. Each knife features an embossed design. For ultimate comfort and safe and easy use, each knife features a soft, ergonomic handle for a secure grip when cutting. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Colorful knife set. The handle of each knife is made from PP material. The ergonomic handle minimizes wrist tension while providing a safe and comfortable grip, improving work efficiency. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Shrimp peeler. Made of hardwood handle and stainless steel blade, durable, can be used for a long time, suitable for all kind of seafood with shells such as lobster, prawns, mantis shrimp, crab legs and other shell seafood. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Mini pocket knife. With its compact size and keychain attachment, this knife is perfect for outdoor adventures, camping trips, and everyday carry. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Meat cleaver. Ergonomically designed handle is full tang, which can prevent the blade of this chef's cleaver from falling easily, help you get good hold feeling and non-slip effect. Knife is stylish and fancy in appearance and you can easily cut everything with it. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Knife peeler. The blade is made of stainless steel materials, which is very sharp, not easy to rust. The sheath is made of plastic materials, which can cutter and dust proof. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Knife. Carbon steel blade with wooden handle, perfectly balanced for professional kitchen use. Product link is given in the eighth link. 9. Knife. Crafted from high-quality steel, ensuring sharpness and longevity, making it a reliable companion for your culinary adventures. The handle is designed for comfortable grip and control, reducing fatigue during extended use. Includes a sheath for safe storage and transport, ensuring the blade stays sharp and secure. Perfect for outdoor enthusiasts, BBQ aficionados, and culinary adventurers. Product link is given in the ninth link. 10. Knives. Each knife has been adjusted for optimum sharpness and is easy to resharpen. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Mini pocket knife. Multi-process tempering, which makes the blade smoother and stronger, reduces friction and can easily complete the cutting task. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Meat knife. It has lightweight, durable, excellent wear-resisting performance. We use high-quality carbon stainless steel for the knife blade, through handcraft sharpness, make it sharper and no easy be dull after long-lasting use. One-piece design, welt-free, not easy to break. Rivets embedded in the handle. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Meat Cleaver Knife. Designed for the toughest of tasks. Its heavy-duty blade is like a sword for your kitchen, ready to tackle meat, vegetables, and more with ease. Crafted from the finest German military-grade composite steel, this knife ensures strength, longevity, and exceptional sharpness. It's the kind of steel trusted by the pros. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Butter Knife. Crafted from food-grade stainless steel, this butter knife offers long-lasting durability and is resistant to daily kitchenware. Its mirror finish enhances surface smoothness for simple cleaning. This 3-in-1 tool includes curling holes for butter strands, a larger scoop for cold butter, and a serrated edge butter spreader. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Knife. Offers superior cutting performance with their comfort ring design. The ring design provides a comfortable, anti-slip grip for easy and enjoyable handling. It allows for effortless cutting, reducing strain and fatigue, provides precise cutting control, and helps to counteract the forces generated during cutting, ensuring stability. The comfort ring design combines comfort, cutting control, and stability for effortless and efficient kitchen cutting experience. The blade is forged using a stone-washed and hammer-finish treatment, making it tough, wear-resistant, and non-sticking. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Chef's Knife. Ergonomic full-tang handle can prevent the blade comfortable to grip and non-slip effect. The kitchen cleaver butcher knife is a great beauty, impeccable performance. The strong design with a good strength, durability. The handle and the blade are integrated without soldering, which is firm and durable to eliminate broken handle. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Knives Set. High-carbon stainless steel food-grade blades for durability and long-lasting sharpness, while providing a precise, razor-sharp cutting edge that will keep you slicing over and over. Stain-resistant, triple-riveted knife handles makes the knife more durable, provides more stability and control. The ergonomically designed knife handles provides you with a superior comfort and non-slip grip for better control and balance, all in one complete kitchen knife set. This 6-piece kitchen knife set includes 8 inches chef knife, 7 knife, 5 inches utility knife, 3.5 inches paring knife, 8 multifunctional scissor and a wooden case. This amazing knife set comes with sharp knives with comfortable handles for effortless cuts, multifunctional scissors and a wooden stand to keep them well protected and clean. The ergonomically designed knife handles provides you with a superior comfort and non-slip grip for better control and balance. Product link is given in the 17th link.